Hello, it's on Awesome 97. I am not bringing you that guy, Sonal Prime. I am showing you this. Just picked it up today. Private Dead Cliff. That's what it says. And Sandstorm. Yeah. Yeah. It's pretty cool. 10 different angles. Open it right now. I have to save the back a little bit so I can keep it to read. I like to have information on the characters. Go to the front, go to the back. Battery fall out. The guy fell out, didn't he? Little human alliance guy fell out. There he is. Pretty cool. Yeah. Sandstorm right here. Pretty cool. I'll try to give you a different angle. There, I'll use the train for the stand for him. But yeah. He is really cool. I'm so happy about him. There you go. A little red stripe thing right there. That sign. It's a pretty cool chest. Feet are pretty cool. Better what it could be. I don't know what it could be. Wheels from that guy. Well, wheels are pretty cool. I like side and stuff. There's his weapon, blaster. Pretty cool. Pipes thing, rather, coming out of his arm. Yeah. Pretty cool. Now I'm gonna transform him. Oh yeah, before I transform him, here's the guy that came with him. The human alliance guy. Pretty much every single thing, except for with Sam and Michaela, the other human alliance ones, their stomach can move. Probably any of the $10 ones can move their stomach, but it's pretty cool though. For his face, it looks kind of like that bulky chin, kind of like a cartoon or something. Kind of hard to see the camera, but it's kind of weird. He's pretty cool though. Yeah, transform, sandstorm. So now I'm going to transform it. Give me a second, I just transformed it a couple seconds ago before I did this. To make sure I can transform in the first place. Let's see. Oh yes, if I... Nope, that's how I do it. Okay. I see now. I see. Now, I didn't really read the instructions, I just know how you transform them. Out the back of it. I'm one of the people that doesn't look at instructions that much, although I really have to. Like Sonal Prime, I kind of had to look at instructions for some stuff. Most of it I had down. I actually understood it. Pull the weapon off. Sorry, I can't see the transforming it. It's kind of difficult. Sorry, can't see right now, but there we go. There we go. There's the... Oh, oops. Let me put the seat down. Put the seat down. The guy to sit on. Unless he's gonna sit on the round of it. There we go. Didn't want to break it. There you go. Get the guy. There. Cool thing about this is, actually, from this, it's actually different colors compared to the one that's in the back. See that? It's like a light, I don't know what kind of green that is. It's weird green. And this is supposed to be a dark green instead. See? And also, yeah, that's pretty much it. Well, silver seat stuff in the back and stuff. Supposed to be like a light green. Instead, it's like a tan. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And his weapon's be black, and it's more bronze. Yeah. Now I'm going to transform into the, what do you call it? Artillery platform mode. The mech tech thing. Human Alliance thing, whatever you call it. Transform into that. Now this is the hard part, artillery mode thing. Take him out. And transform. I just transformed it in there, just to see if I could. That was the hardest part. Let's see. This. Especially this part. It's a little bit hard. Never mind, not that hard. After the second time I do it. Well, I'm transforming this, I'll tell you one thing. I will be doing 2 more of these after this video. I'll be doing about every single one but the Spike one. Spike and can't remember his name. Somebody's name, the motorcycle guy. Yeah. I'll buy that one another time. These are the ones I wanted. Hard. Did I get it? I'll take the weapon off. Put it up. I think that's it. Back a little bit. Is that it? Did I forget anything? Did not. No, I did. Handles. For the guy. Then you put the guy down in the seat. Little thing for his back too, but it's kind of hard to put on. Is it? No, it's not. No, wait, no, it is hard. Oh man! Just got that in. Oh, it didn't break. It just snapped out. Pretend it was there. Pretend it's connected. Yeah, kind of like that. It doesn't grab the handles, but they're kind of far away from each other. So I don't know how a person's doing that like this. Oh no! Going for the handle! Wait, no, the press all the handles now! No! I can't press them both! And that's it. Oh, that's the video for today. Beer for the next one I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing Major Tuscan and Thunderhead. Oh, see you next time. Bye.